Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I want to talk to you about the digital dual feed foot today.
Oh, Barb, that's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful, but it's a big foot.
Yeah, it is a
It needs
big
to be a
foot.
mouthful. It has a belt under here. It's a belt driven, so I can either put my belt up, so it's not connecting with my fabric, or I can put it down so it is.
Where did you do
There's
that?
a little switch on the side right here.
Okay.
There's up and there's down. So if it's up, it's just going to be like a regular foot. With it down, it's going to actually drive the fabric through.
Oh, okay.
Which is really cool. So there's a difference between this and the walking foot. A walking foot usually hops along the surface. This one is going to feed the fabric through. So this is the foot that comes with it. And this foot and this sole plate come with your machine.
Oh, okay.
This is the one that comes in the 30-foot kit. This is the open-toed sole plate. Now we love open-toe feet because you can see right where you're going, correct?
Nice, yes.
All right, so if I wanted to follow down that stripe perfectly, maybe let's go in the white one so you can see it better. I'm gonna line that up.
Okay.
I want it to be right there. All right, so because I have the open-toe foot, I can keep it right in line right there as best as I can.
Okay.
And then my stitching is going to be perfect. Isn't that great?
Nice.
I love the open toe foot. So now you know what to do with it, right?
That's cool. Yes, thank you, Barb.
Thank you.